Bantu migration. Alright, gather around the digital campfire once more because we're diving even deeper into the epic tale of the Bantu. This isn't just a dry history lesson, it's a saga of movement, discovery, and transformation that shaped an entire continent. Think of it like a massive real life adventure game played out over centuries. Once upon a time, in a land far, far to the west, near what we now call the Cameroon Highlands in West Africa, lived a remarkable group of people. We call them the Bantu. Now, Bantu isn't like a family name for one single tribe. It's a special word that describes a huge family of people who all spoke languages that were pretty similar. Imagine a giant tree, and each branch represents a different group, but they all share the same roots in language. For example, in some places they'd say Bantu, in others Batu, Bandu, or even Watu, all meaning people. These folks were part of the larger Negroid family, a diverse group, but their shared language family made them unique. These weren't just a few scattered villages. Oh no. The Bantu grew to be a massive community, eventually spreading into over 200 different groups with more than 300 different ways of speaking their common tongue across the South Saharan region. They were pioneers, really. They weren't just hunters and gatherers, they were food producers. This means they knew how to coax life from the soil and raise animals. Picture this: bustling villages surrounded by fields of green. They grew all sorts of delicious and nourishing crops: sweet bananas, hearty beans, wild mushrooms, rich palm oils, starchy yams, and various cereals. Their tables were never empty. And they weren't just farmers, they were also fantastic animal keepers. Herds of cows grazed nearby, goats nibbled on bushes, pigs rooted around, and chickens clucked happily. This meant they had milk, meat, and eggs, a truly sustainable way of life. But here's where they really shone. They were like ancient superheroes of technology. The Bantu were incredibly skilled iron workers. They understood the magic of taking dull, rocky ore from the ground, heating it in super hot furnaces that glowed orange in the night, and then hammering it into strong, gleaming tools. Imagine the clang of the hammer on metal, the sparks flying. They made powerful hoes to work the earth, sharp pangas to clear dense forests, and weapons to protect their communities. This wasn't just a craft, it was a revolution. Iron tools made farming easier, building faster, and life, in general, more efficient.